We were in Bordeaux during the bombardment of Bordeaux, which was a very exciting time for me because we were in the cellar of a large apartment house, and there were cracks in the wooden thing, and I could see the house across was destroyed, or largely destroyed. And it was like there was no TV in those days. This was a video game in real life, and I treated it as a game, as a old 5-year-old child in 1940, and so I remember that. I remember a scene walking, and in our house itself was hit. The top floors were hit, and I remember the wreckage when we came out. I mean, it was that and Rotterdam were the two big bombardments by the Germans. Both ports, both had some military significance. And I remember walking along the street with my sister, who was then, I guess, 14. She was taking me. The next day it was sunny, beautiful sunny day. And it was June. And she was taking me down the street, and there was a loose electric wire. And it hit somebody. She just grabbed me and turned me around, and I don't know if he was killed or not, but I do know I remember that scene as one of terror for a moment. That's all I saw. A very peaceful way to see the war.